Hello, dear students. Let us understand about accounting rate of return with scrap value and working capital. So what is accounting rate of return? So it is a non-discounting method which falls under the evaluation techniques of capital budgeting. So basically there are two methods under non-discounting. One is payback, another one is this ARR. So ARR is nothing but, so for a business where we did some investment, after a certain time period, we'll be expecting some return, right? So that return based on the highest return from the different projects, you'll be selecting the highest return. So that is the concept of this ARR. So let us understand this in detail with the problem. Yes. So where we need to find ARR for the given proposals, two proposals are there. And details which is given for us is cost. Cost is nothing but initial investment, that is 3 lakhs. Estimated scrap is also given here, since our method is based on the problem which we are going to discuss now. That is the details with the scrap value and working capital is given. Okay, so scrap is 60,000 for both the proposals. Similarly, working capital, that is 2,50,000 for both the proposals. Along with this, cash inflows is also given here in our question. So there are 4 years. For the first proposal, cash inflows, that is 1,50,000, 3 lakhs, 1,50,000, and there is not any cash inflow for proposal 1 for 4th year. Okay, and for the second proposal, again there are certain data is feeded over here. Now our duty is to calculate ARR. Okay, so before solving the problem, we need to know the formula for this ARR. So that is equal to average annual profit after taxes divided by average investment into 100. So this is the formula for calculating average rate of return. Okay, so in simple, we can say this is average profit divided by average investment. So how to calculate this average annual profit after taxes? There will be several profits for different years. By adding up all the different profits divided by the life of the proposal. Say for example, it is for 4 years divided by 4. If it is for 5 years divided by 5. Okay. And after deducting from taxes, we'll be having some value for this average annual profit after taxes. You should have that. Divided by what is this average investment? Average investment is what the, again, we need to calculate for this average investment. Since scrap and working capital is given here, we have another different formula. See here. So average investment is equal to cost. Cost is nothing but the initial cost. Okay. So cost minus scrap value, okay, divided by 2 plus working capital plus scrap. Okay. Since in this problem, working capital and scrap value is given, we are going to solve. If these data are not there in your question, say for example, no scrap value, okay, no working capital, just leave it. If there is no working capital and if there is no scrap value, just ignore it. Okay, just put the value as 0 in this formula and try to solve it. So for this problem, we are having scrap value as well as we are having working capital. See here. So first we'll solve the numerator part, that is average annual profit for 1 is for proposal 1. Okay, is equal to 60,000 divided, 6 lakh divided by 3. See here, by adding up all these profits for year 1, 2, 3, 1,50,000, 3 lakh and 1,50,000. Since there is not any cash flow for 4th year, leave there. So by adding up all the different cash inflows, you'll be getting 6 lakh divided by 3. Since there is not any data for 4th year, that's why divided by 3. Okay. So answer is 2 lakhs. Okay. And for the second proposal, again, add all these cash inflows. That is 2 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 2,50,000 plus 1,50,000. Okay, by adding up all these things divided by, since it is for 4 years, right? So divided by 4, you'll be getting 2,25,000 first. leave that. Okay. So numerated part is done. Okay. Average annual profit after taxes. Coming to the next, average investment. Again, what is the formula? Cost minus scrap divided by 2. Okay. Plus working capital plus scrap. See here, the same thing is given here. Initial investment is 3 lakhs minus scrap value is 60 divided by 2 plus again working capital is 2 lakh 50 plus scrap is again 60,000. So by solving all these things, you will be getting 4 lakh 30,000. Okay. So this is what the way to calculate your average investment. Now apply these two values in your formula of ARR, that is average profit divided by average investment, right? For both the proposals, first let us see for proposal 1. See, 2 lakhs divided by 4 lakh 30,000. How this 2 lakhs come, see here for proposal 1, average profit is 2 lakh. Okay. So divided by 4 lakh 30,000 is your average investment. So why we are putting into 100 is nothing but to get in terms of percentage. Okay. So rate of return, since we need to denote that in percentage form, so that's why it is, we are putting us into 100. Okay. Multiplied by 100. So we'll be getting 46.5% for proposal 1, that is ARR. And for second proposal, okay, so that is 52.32. See here, 2 lakh 25 is annual profit divided by 4 lakh 30, where we get 52.32. See here, proposal 1 and proposal 2. Compared to these two proposals, we are getting highest proposal, highest rate of return, that is 52.32 in which project? That is for the second project, proposal 2. Obviously, we'll be selecting the second proposal since we are getting high rate of return. So this is the method of calculating ARR. Thank you.